The human heart is one of the most important organs in the body. It works every second to keep us alive. The heart is a powerful muscular pump that moves blood throughout the entire body. The heart is located inside the chest, between the lungs, slightly toward the left side. The size of the human heart is about the same as a closed fist. The heart is protected by a thin protective layer called the pericardium. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients that every cell needs to survive. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers and 2 lower chambers. First, used blood from the body enters the right atrium. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs. Blood receives fresh oxygen. In the lungs, blood receives fresh oxygen. The oxygen-rich blood returns to the left side of the heart. The fresh blood first enters the left atrium. Then the blood moves into the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to the whole body. Heart valves keep blood moving in one direction. Electrical signals control every heartbeat. The SA node acts as the heart's natural pacemaker. The heart receives oxygen through coronary arteries. During exercise, the heart works faster to deliver more oxygen. Healthy habits help keep the heart strong and healthy. Unhealthy habits can damage the heart and blood vessels. The human heart beats about 100,000 times every day. The human heart is an incredible living pump. Every beat sends oxygen and nutrients through your body, giving energy to every organ. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more science videos.